Hello, my crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Crypto Catalyst, your favorite crypto host. Alright, guys, today we are diving into one of the fastest and most advanced AI trading platforms on the market called Alph AI. Believe me, guys, if you're serious right now about trading meme coins with a real AI precision, make sure, guys, you watch till the end because believe me, guys, this one is powerful. So, let's dive in. Alph AI is fully on-chain decentralized meme coin trading platform that delivers right now real-time analytics and spinning tools, what you can see as well or with your own eyes on their website. But right now it's built as well for a rapid discovery and light and fast execution of high potential tokens. It currently right now supports Solana, as you can see over here on the right side, Binance Smart Chain, XLayer, Ethereum, Plasma as well, with the future integrations coming soon for a Bitcoin layers 2 and additional chains. Right now, I just want to jump in really quickly on the white paper, namely guys into the docs or here we can right now see more about Alph AI. The first of all, guys, officially launched in 2024, backed by $2 million dollars in strategic funding led by Petru. Alph AI integrates the next generation artificial intelligence with a high-speed blockchain execution to provide real-time insights, smarter trading strategies, and ultra-fast cross-chain performance. Or here you can see, guys, what they're offering to us. But what you need to do right now, it's packed with the features like lightning fast and secure transactions, guys, as quick as 300 milliseconds, guys. Yes, you heard it well. Multi-chain support, guys, one time Solana, Binance Smart Chain, XLayer, and we can expect more than that as well. AI-driven analysis, smart wallet monitoring, exclusive habit tracker. I've showed that as well, everything on the website. Hot trend scanning, sniper trades, limit order trading, guys. Referral systems as well right now offering up to 49.5% commissions. Yes, it's really big. And additionally, guys, right now the gold token detector helps users identify and trade top performing tokens with a win rate over 70% based on historical data. Overall, guys, the key features of the platform right now are really massive, guys. You need to know really what I'm talking about. But overall, guys, we can expect really great tools, such as right now the smart money and influencer tracking, guys. It tracks top wallets on on-chain influencers for early signals. Ultra fast execution, guys. It executes one time, guys, trades in under 0.35 seconds. Yes, faster than most bots in the space. Also, guys, we can right now see really secure MPC wallets. Those are the multi-party wallets with no private keys, like those used by Binance and OKX as well. Simple user interface, guys. I'll show that as well, guys. You can right now trade through Telegram or web. Intuitive, slick, and beginner friendly as well. Real-time metrics, guys. This is also what we can see over here. Yes, 7-day win rates, momentum trackers, trending whale wallets, and token insights. AI powered discovery, guys. It finds right now the tokens with stronger narratives, social bias, and a smart money backing. And as well, guys, right now we have community perks, weekly activity rewards, and golden dog token alerts for the top picks out there. Overall, you can see, guys, over here with your eyes what I'm talking about, how everything is looking, how everything is functioning as well. Because that, guys, my high recommendation, guys, for you to right now dive deeper over here into their talks, because, guys, it's important for you really to really check everything out in the details over here and to expand your knowledge about Alph AI and all the tools right now from this massive platform. But overall, guys, you can see into this in a couple of minutes that Alph AI isn't just another trading bot, it's complete AI powered trading ecosystem for meme coins, giving right now traders the speed, accuracy, and the edge they need right now in 2025. So, guys, for you right now to really understand better what I'm talking about, guys, I have prepared one great table, naming, guys, one great comparison over here between right now the Alph AI and the DEXs out there. I picked over here, guys, the GMG and AI. Where you can see right now the big differences. Yes, guys, so let's compare you guys right now. Big competitors. First, guys, both platforms, guys, are designed right now for smart trading and analytics. But the difference right now lies in their focus, speed, and technology. For example, guys, the first thing over here is the chain focus. As you can see right now, we have an Alph AI with initially Solana, XLayer, Binance Smart Chain with plans to expand later. Smart analytics, as you can see, guys, with Alph AI, we can expect signal tracking plus AI base discovery and K-line chain scanning. Or here, guys, when you're talking about sniping and execution, guys, as you can see, we have near instant execution, guys, on the Alph AI Telegram UI as well, and discovery alerts. And on the other side, guys, we have non-filters, and the sniper tools. Security, guys, as you can see, Alph AI right now is offering us MPC wallet security, institutional grade protection, guys. As you can see, automation, guys, there is no explicit automation. They focus right now on speed alerts and signals. Platform, as you can see, UX over here, Telegram bot and BAM interface, guys. I would say that right now is the future, guys, of the trading as well. Especially right now we talk about a Telegram bot as well, guys, because everything is fast and integrated, guys, right now. When we talk right now about community features, guys, you can see right now the rewards called right now the golden dog. Those are right now alerts, and early opportunities focus on that as well. And AI integration as well. As you can see, AI trend token discovery with narrative and sentiment scoring. That is something what we can see over here on the Alph AI. I would say, guys, when I sum it up for you, that GMG is okay. But on the other side, Alph AI is built for precision, speed as well, and real-time discovery. It's a lean, fast, and focused entirely on performance and as well right now alpha generation. As you can see right now, you can see with your own eyes what I'm talking about. Okay, right now let's go back on the website because I want to show you guys quickly their amazing pattern over here, how everything's looking. The first of all, guys, let's take a look, guys, over here. From the moment, guys, you land over here, you are right now greeted with a clean, fast, and modern interface, guys, perfectly matching the platform's lightning fast trading engine, I would say, operating at just 300 milliseconds of latency. Yes, guys. At the top, you can see you'll find all main modes, guys, like a meme over here, as you can see. Trending as well. When you click on it, you can see what I'm talking about. The signals as well, trade, as you can see over here, X stocks, smart wallet as well. Look at that, guys. Wow, everything is looking really incredible, I would say. And that is something what we're all, I would say, trying for in our space. And as well, guys, over here the trackers as well. We need to, of course, connect for that. I'll show that as well in a couple of minutes. And over here we can see the rewards, guys. This is also right now really important for us. As you can see, guys, we can see over here in the center, over here, guys, the core tools come alive right now, like in hunting over here, hunting, K-line, sniper, and wallet tracker, guys. These are the beating heart of the Alph AI, helping you track market movements, follow smart wallets, and time your entries perfectly. For newcomers, over here on the top on the right corner, as you can see, there is a tutorial section, guys. This is their docs, what I already have showed you, and as well, guys, integrated Telegram bot, making it right now simple to learn and trade at the same time. And the bottom, guys, as you can see, live Solana price as well over here, as you can see on the feed, prove that everything runs here directly from the real on-chain data. Overall, guys, you can see right now the Alph AI website isn't just a functional, it's command center for professional traders. Sleek, responsive, and built to win. So let's dive deeper, guys, into the platform and demonstration, guys, and as well, guys, the trading features. So first of all, guys, starting over here with the signals page, you can see over here that especially over here in the Binance Smart Chain, I guys as well switch over here in the Binance Smart Chain. You can see, guys, this is right now the place where you can right now find real-time alerts based on call and smart money activity, showing right now the top performing wallets are moving right now, as you can see over here with your own eyes. This is really your start, and this is really important for you guys, because everything is about signals, guys, but early signals as well. And as you can see over here, you have everything on one place. I'm really thankful for that. Over here, this is the place where you can right now find the real-time alerts based on a call and smart money activity, showing right now where the top performing wallets right now are moving. On the right side, you can click over here into today's champs, and you can see over here is the first alert time over here, right now the name of the token, as you can see market cap and 24 hours max increase after the first alert. As well, guys, the right now the wallet token inside, guys, it shows right now the view 7-day win rates, trading wallets, and token momentum in the real time. As you can see, I would say it's really helpful right now. Let's, for example, right now click on one of the token over here. For example, I click over here on the, it's not important, guys, squats STR over there. And on the right side, you can see some great tools. For example, guys, this is something innovative what we have over here on the Alph AI. This is over here the AI analysis. Yes, guys, and right now their AI analysis is really incredible because, guys, with this massive feature, guys, this helps you right now really uncover the hidden whales behind the tokens. It detects right now whether a token is a well controlled or not. It tracks as well major wallets buying or selling right now, gives early rug and exit alerts, helps you right now spot 100x gems before the crowd, and as well, guys, other right now really great things. As you can see, this is something what we haven't seen so far in our space, especially right now when talking about trading platforms. What is also really important for you to know, guys, it's right now there, as you can see over here, index one more time on the left side. As you can see as well, there is as well 24 hours, as you can see, cable top 5 and industry first feature, as you can see, showing right now the meme index scores for rally potential, live cable token data for max allocations, guys, advanced trading metrics all in one place. And when it comes right under speed, Alph AI executes sometimes the trades at 300 milliseconds, the same or even faster than top tier bots like an Axiom and the Padre. Overall, guys, we have the speed, we have precision, and the AI-driven signals make right now the Alph AI one of the most advanced sniper platforms on chain today. Alright, guys. Besides, guys, you can right now follow as well the Alph AI on the platform right now, like in Twitter, namely X. I'm going to follow them as well for the major announcements, for the major news, guys, and other really, really important things. Maybe, guys, you can find some giveaways on other important things, but overall, guys, you can stay up to date with that. Overall, as well, you can right now join over here the Telegram group right now with 1,000 members. Be engaged, as you can see, almost 2,000 people online, guys. As you can see, they're really, really engaged right now, and there as well, I would say right now, making some money together in the group. As you can see, this is right now the official bot announcement channel, guys, and right now their global Alph AI group. My high recommendation, guys, check it out and follow them as well. As well, guys, you can right now follow them over here on YouTube for some tutorials, guys, and educational videos. Alright, guys, your question right now is overall, I would say, how to start right now. Okay, guys, the first of all, guys, my referral account description box down below, guys. You can guys click on it and right now sign up with that link. Just click over here to rewards. And as you can see right now, we need to connect our wallet so we can start. Namely, guys, sign up right now. When you click over here, connect, as you can see, guys, we just need to jump to the Telegram, namely right now to switch to the Telegram. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. As you can see right now, this is their official bot, and right now we're going to start the bot. Alright, guys, right now we are here, as you can see, Alph AI official bot. Log in to experience ultra high speed transactions. Click connect to the website. Click over here. Do you want to open it? Yes, we want to open it as well, guys, right now. Okay, right now, as you can see, I am connected with my Telegram over here as well. Over here, guys, you can see your wallet, your great overview, your deposit withdraw section, rewards, copy trade, guys, disconnect as well, and security. For you, it's important to know, guys, how to deposit, namely to withdraw. When you click over here, guys, for example, if you want to top up your, of course, account with Solana, you just need to deposit Solana to your wallet, of course, guys. As you can see, just copy it, guys, over here, and of course, go to your wallet and send Solana to this address. And as you can see, overall, you can, guys, on that way right now, top up your account and, of course, start trading really, really easily. Over here, guys, this is going to be your section with rewards, guys. Namely, this is going to be a referral link as well. And one more time, guys, my referral link in the description box down below. Believe me, guys, use it because right now the referral system is amazing, guys. Where you can get almost 50%, guys. I would say rewards by inviting your friends, which is right now really incredible. Alright, guys, so let's go back right now to the bot one more time, guys. And over here on Telegram bot, you can right now see that right now finally Alph AI Telegram ecosystem brings everything together. First of all, we can see over here the Alph wallet bot. As you can right now manage your wallet safely. Alph signal alert, guys, you can get instant trading signals as well. Alph trade bot, you can execute directly via Telegram. Alph smart money alert, it tracks right now whales, influences, and market shifts in real time, and everything's, guys, integrated over here. The real data, real trading, and all within the Telegram. As you can see with its Telegram bots, Alph AI right now merges automation, community, and execution into one unified trading experience, I would say. As you can see, for example, guys, right now, one more time, I have shown you guys how right now to deposit, guys, but of course you can see as well option over here to click over here for the deposit, guys, and you will be as well redirected, guys, as well over there. For example, guys, start on their trading board. You can right now select the chain, Solana Binance Smart Chain. I have right now selected the Solana, as you can see one more time, and this is, guys, your address where you need to right now to send to, of course, your Solana on that way. Alright, guys, over here you can see, guys, one more time, community channel, smart money, guys, also what I have showed you as well already. And overall, guys, as you can see, everything is incredible. It depends, of course, guys, what you need at the moment. If you, of course, right now need the trading bot wallet, this is, or Solana signal. As you can see, just click over here, guys, and this is right now their separate group, namely separate bot group. As you can see right now with almost 2.6 thousand subscribers, you can see right now the latest Solana signals, guys. Isn't that incredible? Because, guys, my high recommendation over here, check it out, guys, come over here and see her with your own eyes what I'm talking about, because right now the bot is really, really incredible. Overall, guys, when wrap it up on the summit, that's it, guys. Alph AI isn't just another meme coin trading board. It's a next generation AI trading ecosystem combining right now analytics, sniping, and automation into one lightning fast platform. With a sub-second trading speed, real-time signals, and intuitive Telegram bot system, Alph AI is setting a new benchmark for on-chain trading. If you want to explore, guys, the platform yourself, guys, all the links one more time, including the website and Telegram, are in the description box down below, guys, as well my referral link. I would say, guys, check out the description box down below, leave my thoughts right now, and smash that like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot. That was a Crypto Catalyst, and I'll catch you in the next video.